Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Worldcoin app not working. So as you can see, I actually got it to work for me, and this is all you have to do. You need to just hold your app and then click here on app info. And now here I want you to click on storage and cache, okay? And first clear cache right here at the bottom right, click on clear cache. And once the cache is cleared, I want you to also clear storage, clear the user data. Hopefully you had your password saved, okay? Click here on delete app data. And then now once you go back to launch World app, it should work. So as you can see right here, it is launching up and it is working perfectly fine. I'll just agree to the terms, click on sign up just to show you that it's working, but otherwise it's really simple. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.